Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Ford Focus SE. This vehicle only has 37,445 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It is a front-wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine, light tinted windows, and 16-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our jet black cloth seating with a white lining and a design throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have a standard radio, our push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.